Hi guys, welcome to Pretty Little Claws. I'm Lisa Graves and today I'm going to show you how to do these autumn inspired flower encapsulated nails. Okay, so I've already got my tips on and they are shaped and blended. So I'm going to go in with my Nail Prep Dehydrator and then in with the acid-free primer. So I'm going to be using Berrylicious, Elegance, Crystal Clear and Warm Beige. Also cut up some flowers in pink, orange and red and some gold foil pieces ready to work with. So using the Maxidesian monomer, I'll be using the Neo Nails Oval Sharp 12. I'm going to go straight in with Berrylicious. And then using a small amount of Elegance, I'm going to pop that up at the top and just blend it down so it fades into missing. And then going to cap this in Crystal Clear. Okay, so on this nail, I'm going to keep the entire nail clear. I'm just using small amounts of Crystal Clear. I'm just popping a very thin layer down, and then I can pick up little bits of flowers that I want to pop in there. And any small bits of gold leaf. Make sure you press that firmly into that clear acrylic so that it sits nice and flat. And just in the centre of this big red flower, I'm just going to add a little bit of gold leaf, just a small bit, like that. And then that can be kept in Crystal Clear. Okay, so on the middle nail I'm going to be doing a marble with Warm Beige, Berrylicious and Elegance. I'm going to start off just with a bit of the Warm Beige, just up around the cuticle, and then blend that down. And then picking up Warm Beige again, just with a tiny bit of Berrylicious. I can put that in there and just allow them to start marbling. A little bit of elegance in there. And then just a couple of these smaller pieces of the foil again and press that in. And when you're happy with that, you can cap that in crystal clear. Okay, so onto this nail. Again, I'm going to keep the nail clear and just encapsulate some flowers. So just a small amount of your crystal clear. And just a few pieces of the gold leaf again. And when you're happy with that, that can be capped in crystal clear. Don't worry too much about any little bits of flowers that stick up at the acrylic, because they'll get taken off with the file. Okay, and then on the thumbnail, I'm going to do another marble, but I'm going to make this a little bit more red with the Berrylicious. So instead of picking up Warm Beige first and dipping into Berrylicious, I'll pick up Berrylicious first, picking up small amounts of Elegance in that as well, just to get a bit of a gold shimmer running through that. Okay, and I'm going to add some of the gold leaf. Just adding small amounts of the gold leaf again. And when you're happy with that, you can cap that in crystal clear. Okay, so filing these up, I'm going to start with my side walls. I'm using the Neo Nails 180. So make sure you're happy with them side walls. And then sharpen up your free edge. When you're happy with those, you can tuck into your cuticle area. Make sure you use the curved side of your file so it fits in there a little bit easier. Okay, now filing up and over the nail, always file into the centre. And then we can start to check the nail for overall thickness, making sure that you're happy from every angle. And then I'm going to file over my apex area just to smooth that out, make sure there's no lumps and bumps. And when you're happy with the shape of your nail, you can either wipe over with acetone or give it a quick buff. And I'll repeat that on the remaining nails. Okay, so make sure you remove the dust. And I'm going to be using the Nail Nails Mega Gloss. And they can go into the lamp for a full cure. Okay, I'm going to be using the Pink Pineapple Cuticle Oil. And there we go. So here's the finished product. I do hope you've enjoyed watching this video tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and all the links to the product used will be in the description box below. Thanks guys!